Welcome to Bald Spot Garage. Now this is going to be a short video previewing a series that we're going to start on Wednesday of this week. But before we get to that, I just want to thank everybody who's tuned in so far and giving a brand new channel a chance. At this point in time, that's all we can ask is just for the opportunity to show you what we're about. Now on to the project. It is our 2003 Astro van, which if you saw any of the countdown, you'll know about this. The core support is rotted out on this thing. Starting Wednesday, we'll be tearing this thing down, and we got a 3-part series right now on tearing it down and rebuilding the core support because nothing is available for it. Now, while we were in there starting to work on it, we did find more issues, so there may be another video or two coming up on this thing beyond that. So we're going to get into a bit of fabrication because every single piece of that has to be hand formed to rebuild that thing. So who doesn't like a bit of cutting, welding, grinding, and hammering some metal into shape to either rebuild or build something? I know I do. So tune in Wednesday. We'll see you then.